what I am most excited about is this area here.
When I came home yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for this.
So yes, the other thing here, which was great for you guys, just changing the doors and not having to put all new cabinet boxes in. That's a great thing. It's
The quality that these guys are doing is just fabulous. I mean, I come in, I'm like, oh, it's amazing that they can do. I feel like it's me with your guidance.
yes.
So, yeah.
That's how I feel like I want to have it. I want, you know, your own personality and your wants and needs to shine through, but you know, sometimes people need a little bit of direction. So
Right. You knew were perfect, so
makes me happy.
there you go.
Thank you, Dana.
I still feel like it's me though. So, yeah.
Awesome. Great. That one might be a little hard to get, so I think if we put that one in just a little bit, it's going to give you easier. It's going to give you
Think about these things.
Yeah, it's going to be easier access for that top shelf.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
So do
Yeah,
that.
sounds good. Everything's looking so good.
Good. I'm happy too.
Can't wait for this.
It's moving along.
It is. Everything's been so smooth.